watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
And we continue now with a look at those heat alerts that have been issued across much of our region. We're talking about that heat advisory. That will go into effect at 1 p.m. this afternoon and will continue until 7 p.m. later on this evening. We're talking about those heat index values exceeding 105 degrees at times, closer towards D.C. along the I-95 corridor as well. Back over towards the I-81 corridor, that's where those heat index values, those could be right around 100 to 104 degrees later on today. Nonetheless, all across the region under that heat advisory, it is going to be dangerously hot later on this afternoon, so plan accordingly. This is a view of those high temperatures that are expected later on today. Quite a few locations reaching the triple digits on that thermometer. This is not the heat index. This is what it will look like in terms of the actual air temperature later on today. We are going with a high of 100 degrees in D.C. With that dangerous heat in place, we did make today a DMV first warn day for that threat. In terms of challenging records for the day today, Reagan Airport, 99 degrees. Now we could be breaking that if we do reach 100 degrees today, and that record was set back in 1948. Others across the region, Martinsburg, Dulles, as well as Annapolis, all have those record highs into the upper 90s, middle 90s for Hagerstown. So this will be something that we'll keep a close eye on over the course of the day today if we do break any of those records. Temperatures out there right now already starting off into those 70s for most of the area. Very warm start to the day, very humid start to the day as well. We're upper 70s already in D.C., middle 70s in Hagerstown, also seeing those middle 70s back over towards Annapolis and Lexington Park. Satellite radar showing us that setup. We do have this trough just off towards the east of D.C., and then we have that system back over towards the Midwest, producing some pockets of heavy downpours and some stronger thunderstorms. That cold front dives its way farther south, and that will provide us with some relief from all this heat and humidity as we look ahead towards later on tonight. Before the day today, it looks like most of the day it is dry. If anything, this trough could produce that spot shower or storm. Most of the activity holds off till later on this evening and later on tonight. This will be at 5 p.m. with Futurecast. Most of the activity is still holding into southern Pennsylvania where that cold front is. Out ahead of it, we have those temperatures surging upper 90s to the lower triple digits. Then the cold front starts to dive in. This is right around 7 p.m., so it's just ahead of sunset. Could see a few of those thunderstorms diving into the northernmost parts of our viewing area. We'll see some of those clusters of some stronger thunderstorms expected. I would say anywhere between 8 to 11 p.m. tonight. Then that clears out. Cold front dives in, wind shift mainly out of the east-northeast. That'll be ushering in that slight cool down that we'll see for the day tomorrow. So not nearly as hot tomorrow, is a little bit closer to seasonable in terms of the high temperatures. We're talking mid to upper 80s for most of the area. If anything, our far southern locations could reach right around 90 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So again, this is a wider view just to show you that setup. Cold front dives in from the north, allows those showers and thunderstorms to flourish across the area. Then tomorrow, there could be that chance for a shower or storm. I would say back over towards the Culpeper area later on tomorrow afternoon, and then by the evening and later on tomorrow night, we'll see a bit more of that scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. Then by Friday, a warm front tries to lift in. So we do see a drop in those temperatures towards the end of this week before they start to heat things up ever so slightly just in time for your Labor Day weekend. But we do have some rain and thunderstorm chances to talk about for your Labor Day weekend as well. So let me step out of the way to show you that 7-day outlook. So today, certainly the hottest day out of that 7-day forecast. And then we see some of that relief as we look ahead towards Friday. Highs right around 80 that day. Then, as I had mentioned, that warm front lifts in. We'll see highs right around 90 degrees on Saturday with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. There could be that isolated lingering shower out there on Sunday. We're back into the upper 80s before we see those temperatures fall back into the lower 80s just in time for Labor Day Monday, the unofficial end to the summer season. It's looking quite nice out there. We'll take that for that day. And then we're back in the upper 70s by next Tuesday. So it keeps getting better as we get closer towards the end of that 7-day forecast. I'm not sure if it keeps getting better with traffic, but I know someone who has that answer, and that is Shanika. How's it looking out there right now?
Oh, yes, I do have that answer. Actually,